Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to remove status from WhatsApp. So let's start. I'm here on WhatsApp as you can see. Now let's go to update, and as you can see here I have an status. So if I want to delete my status, it's very easy to do it. So first you have to go to your status. In this case I check it, and then will appear three dots on the top right corner, and you can check here. Just click there and you will have three options. We have forward, save, and delete. Of course, if you want to delete your status, you have to click on delete and the status will be deleted. So just click there, and then appears this message of confirmation: delete one status update, and you click on delete and it's done. As you can check here, appears disappear after 24 hours. That means that I don't have any status now. So that is how we can remove the status from WhatsApp. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.